Hello, I'm Dr. Hassan Tauheed with a very powerful topic today. 10 kinds of articles that any student can write. Let's begin. What are those 10 kinds of articles that any student can write? If you are a student and watching this video and you really want to write a research article, you want to be a published author, but you feel that, oh, I have to have a lab, oh, I am not a research professor, then how can I write a research article? Don't worry about it. There are several kinds of articles that you can write on your own. You don't have to have a lab to do that. Trust me. So what are those kinds of articles that you can write and publish and increase the number of publications? Number one, idea or commentary. Yes, you can write a commentary or an idea article and propose an idea or just bring attention of the editor to a certain point and lead the readers towards a solution. So yes, you can write an idea article or you can write a commentary. That's number one. Second kind of article that anyone can write regardless of age is opinion article. Yes, many people think that opinion articles are only confined for the experts in the field. No, that's not true. Being a student, you can also write an opinion article. You also have an opinion. You are a human being. Respect yourself. Learn to respect yourself and don't doubt yourself. You can write a research article. You can write an article. You can publish an article. You can publish an opinion article. You have an opinion. You are a human being. Don't be afraid of writing an opinion article. You can bring an opinion about any issues during your studies or issues faced by the universities, issues faced by female students, issues faced by male students, any issue related to your expertise that is being a student. You can write it and choose a journal that is willing to publish that article. Now, what is the third kind of article that you can write? Letters to the editor. Yes, you can easily write a letter to the editor. As I have discussed before, letters can be of different kinds. You can either write a letter bringing the attention of the editor of a journal to a certain problem. Yes, you can do that. Any issue and provide the solution. That can be a very good letter. Or you can comment on somebody else's paper. You can agree with somebody's methodology and results, or you can disagree with somebody's methodology and result. So these are the ways you can write a letter to the editor. Now, what is the fourth kind of article that anyone can write? Case studies, case reports. Yes, if you are a student, you can write a case study on any topic. If you're a medical student, you can write it by getting information of a patient. Of course, you take the consent. You follow all the rules. And I have discussed that in the case study video. However, we will just stick to the point here. I don't want to go back. You can go back and watch my video on case reports and series so you can get an idea how to do that. However, what I'm saying right now here is that you can easily write a case study and publish it as a case report. So don't stop yourself from doing it. Now, what is the fifth kind of article that anyone can write? Survey studies. And survey studies are of two types. So actually these are two types. So we discussed the opinion articles, we discussed the idea articles, we discussed the letters to the editor, we discussed the case reports, and now we are discussing the survey studies. And survey studies are of two types: cross-sectional studies and longitudinal studies. So you can write both of them. Number 6. Now, what else you can do? Yes, you can also write review articles, and there are 4 major kinds of review articles. Traditional review, also known as literature review. Yes, you can do that. You just need to collect data from previously published resources. You don't have to go anywhere. Any other kind of article that you can write? You can write a scoping review. Yes, and I have discussed that in my scoping review video. If you want to watch that, go and watch that video. That will help you and guide you on how to write a scoping review. The other kind of article, number 9, is a systematic review. Yes, you can write a systematic review as well. And I have discussed systematic review in many of my videos. You can watch and learn how to write a systematic review. Now, the 10th kind of article that anyone can write regardless of age is a meta-analysis. Go and watch my videos on meta-analysis to learn about meta-analysis. Yes, you can do all of these articles. And by the way, systematic reviews and meta-analysis are the highest quality of evidence. They are on the top of the study design pyramid. So imagine you are not a professor. You don't have to be a professor. You don't have to be a teacher. You don't have to be a senior professor or a department head to write the highest quality of evidence: systematic reviews, scoping reviews, meta-analysis, and of course, traditional reviews. The literature review are also a big deal. And of course, cross-sectional studies too. All of these are very good studies. So go ahead and do that. And now don't listen to the naysayers. Don't listen to the people who will tell you all the reasons why you cannot write a paper, because now you know you can write at least 10 kinds of different study designs. Why don't you write all 10 one by one? Go ahead and do that. And if you have any question, comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep watching.